Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the leetcode problem number 13, Roman to integer in JavaScript code. Before we solve the problem, subscribe to my channel and for solution follow me on GitHub Tinugala. There will be leetcode question and answer repo. Let's decode it. To solve this problem, first we will know what is Roman number. Roman numbers are IV, XL, CDM. These are the symbols and these are the value of that. To solve this problem, there is a catch. The constraint is that in the input we can get the highest number is from 1 to 3999 only. So let's understand the code. To solve this problem, we will take the variable and inside this variable we will run a function with the parameter s. What is s? S is the input we are going to give. In this case we will take example 1 as an input, I and I. We are initially going to store the value as 0, integer value as 0. Then we will run a for loop. We will run the for loop till the s dot length, that is till the ith last index. We will check if the first index, that is I, is less than I plus 1, that is second index. If it is less, we are going to subtract from the value, and if it is greater we are going to add the value. So let's start. If we take Roman value into the function s, now we will run the for loop. I is 1 is not greater than 0, or is it? It is greater than 0, so we will not subtract, we will add to the value. Now the integer value becomes 1. Now the second for loop runs. We will check the ith index with the ith plus index, that is also greater, so we will add another value. Now the integer value becomes 2. Now the third loop runs. There is only the one digit in the input left, so we will simply add it in the value. Now the integer value becomes 3, so we get the input value as 3. Same goes with the example number 2, LVII. In the example 3 also it is same. For this solution, the time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.